Alright, we're recording. Alright. Good. Alright. I wish I recorded the flight coming in. It was interesting with the owner flying. Oh, very sporty landing, let's just say. Let's put it that way. Oh, good. It's bumpy. It's going to be bumpy all the way back, I believe. My audio is working. We're going to see if it works in this plane. Plugged directly in. I got basically an audio cord that's whatever millimeter is a normal headset plug to the little 1.5 millimeter that goes into the camera. So, anyways. Beaufort traffic, Baron 683 Delta Delta departing runway 26, Beaufort. Alright. But it's coming. A little wind from the right, I believe. I don't see the sock yet until we get around the corner. Alright, power is set. Watch out for that little bump. 90. Nice and easy. And Beaufort traffic, Baron 683 Delta Delta, departing the pattern to the northwest. Away we go, we're going to nav her up. Yee Ha, Yee Ha. Point arrival, Baron 683 Delta Delta.
Baron 683 Delta Delta, Chairport approach. Go ahead.
683 Delta Delta, we're just off of Beaufort looking to pick up the IFR back to Greensboro.
Baron 3 Delta Delta, reset transponder squad 0574.
3 Delta Delta. Check flaps are moving. Everything's done but the yaw damp and the crying. We might be crying after this one, we'll see. So stay tuned. Wind is kicking. Like a bucking bronco. That should have been a cowboy. It's a lot of wind. A lot of wind for us North Carolina boys. Unlike you Kansas guys for Beaufort, of course, they're used to this 30-something knot gust.
42 Romeo, I'm going to be launching a jet in front of you, between you and the Baron. I'll be going out to the west.
Okay, we'll keep an eye out for him. Thank you, 42 Romeo.
Blue Sheik 52, 55 degrees, we'll tie you up.
I'm up, ready to go, Blue Sheik 52, 55.
Blue Sheik 52, 55, runway 23 left, line up await, traffic to Baron, short final, additional Cherokee on about 3.5 mile left base.
Okay, line up and wait, runway 23 left, Blue Sheik 52, 55.
It's windy. It's windy. Alright, you guys look and see if you see babies sitting on the ramp out there too. I see my baby in the corner. No, it's baby in the corner. Out there. Yep, there she is. Bird.
Street 5255, runway 23 left to right, 270, clear for takeoff.
23 left, clear for takeoff, heading 270, Bush Street 5255.
And 3 Delta Delta, contact ground. You have a great day.
Over to ground. Happy Easter.
You too.
Greensboro ground, Baron 683 Delta Delta off on Kilo, and we're going to signature.
Baron 683 Delta Delta, Greensboro ground, taxi signature via Kilo.
Signature via Kilo, 3 Delta Delta. All right, well, thanks for riding along. Like, share, subscribe. We'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.